All right, so I'm at the truck again for another treatment of acetone and ATF 50-50 mix. I'm going to pour it into the cylinders as I have in past videos. But I wanted to thank Matt for his suggestion of putting ATF in the carb. I'm just about to do that right now. And so I got another little bit here. I'm putting a ton down there today because I haven't done it yet. And it strikes me as a very good idea. So there, the carb's full. Just a tiny few ounces of Kool-Aid in each cylinder. Don't drink the Kool-Aid.